Assalamu alaikum dear children. Our today's topic is 1.4 Miss Slippery. Miss Slippery English Workshop. So let's start. Question number 1. Two different words are joined to form a new word with a new meaning. Such words are called compound words. Sometimes there is a hyphen between compound words. For example, homework or kind-hearted. Pick out some compound words from the lesson. Question number 2a. Add the proper prefix to make the following words opposite in meaning. Number 1. Obey. Number 2. Sympathetic. Number 3. Honor. Number 4. Afraid. Number 5. Content. Question number 2b. Add suffix to convert the following words to adjective forms. Laugh. Thought. Forget. Care. Count. Fear. Move. Tear. Punish. Joy. Question number 3. Find words or expressions from the story which are similar in meaning to. Number 1. Very expensive. Number 2. Longing for. Number 3. Could not remember at all. Number 4. Constant. Number 5. Gather all one's courage. Number 6. Filled and increased in size. Number 7. Paining badly. Number 8. Forced to pay a big amount of money. Question number 4. Answer in short in your own words. Number 1. The history teacher had asked them to memorize it. What? Number 2. Sayali's new frock tore. How? Number 3. Sayali hugged him tight. Who? Number 4. Sayali was called slippery. Why? Number 5. Teacher told Sayali to meet her in the teacher's room. When? Number 6. Teacher asked Sayali to carry the notebooks. Where? Number 5. Divide the class in two groups with the help of your teacher and convert the story into a skit. Each group can take up one part of the story and later combine both the parts. Mention the following in your compilation. Present the skit in your class. Parts of the story are: Number 1. A new title. Number 2. Scenes. Number 3. Characters. Number 4. Dialogue. Number 5. Entry and 6. Exit. Question number 6. Write what expressions does a person use in the following situations. Number 1. When a person gets a sudden fright. Number 2. When a person is very nervous. Number 3. When a person is tense. Number 4. When a person is very happy. Number 5. When a person is very confident. Number 6. When a person is very angry. Number 7. When a person is very sad. So children, here we have completed our English workshop. Thank you so much. We'll meet again in another video. Goodbye. See you soon.